Physical therapy and occupational therapy. At one point or another, you may have to turn to these methods of treatment to recover from an injury, surgery, maybe a life-changing health event. Well, Atlantic Physical Therapy in Berlin offers you everything you could possibly need to get on the road to recovery. And Delmarve Life's Brian Spiros joins us from Atlantic Physical Therapy. Brian, this is a really unique place.
Well, Jimmy, it is indeed, and we're going to explain why in just a minute. But first, I want to introduce you to Bobby Hammond, who is the CEO of Atlantic Physical Therapy. First thing, Bobby, tell me about the company.
We're an outpatient physical therapy clinic located here in Ocean Pines. We have 3 facilities, one in Laurel, one in Ocean Pines, and one in Millsboro, Delaware. Here in Ocean Pines, we have aquatic as we do in the other facilities. But here in Ocean Pines, we also have the health and fitness facility right next door, which is a huge benefit to our patients.
Which many places don't have.
No. It's a huge benefit because as they get stronger, we could promote them to go and do these exercises on their own and keep themselves healthy.
Right next door. Now, you also say you guys are a step above the rest.
Oh, I have the finest therapist, occupational therapist here. We also have a great support staff. Most insurances are accepted. And you know, I think place is magnificent.
Top notch, and this is a good career for people to get into too. We should mention real quick if they're looking for something to do for the future.
We're always in need of physical therapists, and UMES, University of Maryland Eastern Shore, has a wonderful, wonderful physical therapy program for a doctorate.
All right, good for people to know. Thank you. Now we're going to go over and talk to Philip here, who is a physical therapist. And, you know, Bobby just mentioned to us about having the fitness center right next door. Really, what are the benefits to have that within steps away from where you guys are right here?
Well, it's good to ask. I think it's very important for continuum of care. What we have is, as a physical therapist, we have a duty to kind of treat a patient throughout the course of their injury or surgery. If you have an athletic injury, a surgery, it's our job to kind of keep an eye on you and make sure that you get your benefit that you need from physical therapy. So the office that we have here is it's a therapist's dream. We can keep an eye on people after their injury and make sure that they're progressing through their rehab. With today's healthcare, the way it is, sometimes it's difficult to see a patient throughout the course of their care. So having a facility so nearby, right next door, we can keep an eye on them throughout the course of their care.
So it's good for you, and obviously gives the patient reassurance that you guys are still within arm's reach to help take care of them.
Exactly. I think it's great for the therapist and it's great for the patient because
a lot of good information. Thanks, Philip. I appreciate it. Now we're going to go over here to Sally, who is an occupational therapist. Sally, as you can see, she's in the middle of her work, so we're just going to bother you for just 1 second. Explain what exactly the difference is between occupational therapy and physical therapy.
In occupational therapy, our goal is to maximize a person's level of self-care after they've had an injury, whether it be a fracture, a stroke. So that's our goal in therapy.
And you actually have a special certification that not too many people have. Explain what it is and what you use it for.
I'm a certified hand therapist. I work with people with orthopedic injuries, rotator cuff injuries, tendonitis, nerve and tendon repairs.
So you do a lot of different stuff, and you're one of only 5,000 people in the entire world that does this.
Yes, yes.
All right, so thank you. I'll let you guys get back to doing what you got to do to get her back in shape. All right, now we're going to go over here to the Aquatic Center, actually, and I'm going to introduce you to Charles, who's another one of the physical therapists here. Explain to me what the Aquatic Center is used for and the benefits of it.
Well, many patients who can't perform normal land-based therapies, your patients with multiple areas of arthritis in their hips, knees, and lower back benefit from aquatic therapy. The water provides 90% gravity-free environment so that patients that can't do your normal land therapy can do their therapy in the pool, and they can get through their range of motion and their exercises much easier than they could do on land.
And you had also said that it's a one-on-one.
It's all one-on-one. All of our pools only treat one patient at a time and one therapist with them. There'll never be 2 people in the pool with them in any of our facilities.
And I would imagine when people go in here, they probably don't want to get out.
Most people don't want to get out. It's 94 degrees and very soothing.
It is. My friend over there looks very relaxed. I want to jump in myself.
Bring your bathing suit next time.
I will. Charles, thank you very much. So as you can see, a lot of great information, great facility, great staff. Now for more information on Atlantic Physical Therapy, you can log on to our website, delmarvelife.com, and click on the show tab So Jimmy, for now, we'll send it back to you in the studio, and I'll be back in just a little bit, again, from Kuhn's Jewelers.
Brian, I'm sorry, you can't afford any aquatic therapy this afternoon. We've got more for you to do. So.
We'll see about that.
Oh, okay. Brian, thank you. Up next on Delmarve Life, thousands of people will soon take part in the 2012 Kidney Walks. Every step can help save a life. How you can participate right here on Delmarve. Delmarve Life, life at its best, here on Delmarve.